Our code starts off with some initializations. We initialize the read line so the command can accept our input, the drone to communicate with the computer, the PNG stream so we can see the camera's output, and GIMP so we can detect what the color is in the picture. After all of the key bindings, we get into the global variables. Matrix, which is a 4-dimensional array that tells us where we are, what color the wall is, and whether the wall has a dot or a person, is the first variable declared so that we can access and edit it. Followed are some more utility-like variables, x, y, and dir, or direction, as well as a second variable for each one, xhold for example, to make sure that all of the variables are assigned properly. Distance variable and distance turned are declared. Finally, there's the person strings. These strings will hold information on how to get to the people. Finally, var which person, which is set to 1.
At last we get to functions. Move functions take t time as the input variable. The drone flies forward, backwards, left, right, counterclockwise, and clockwise as a function of time, and stop, halts any movement.
Then comes the GIMP functions. The first part is simply taking the hexadecimal value GIMP returned from the picture and obtaining the green, red, and blue, and the alpha values in decimal so we can use them. The save function takes the picture from the camera and saves it to the desktop. Additionally, depending on the matrix value, it will save either white or dot values to the matrix.
The save scan function gets interesting. The current image from the drone is saved as a placeholder. GIMP saves the hexadecimal value of every pixel to a 2-dimensional array. Then 4 lines are created, one for each edge of the picture, and the lines go in until they hit a white pixel. The average RGB value, excluding the white box, is found to keep the white from skewing the RGB value. These values determine the color of the panel to be saved to the matrix.
Finally, the code actually does stuff. A switch is used to detect which key is being pressed. Using functions and variables initialized earlier, methods are called according to its corresponding key. The switch will call all of the movement functions, the camera switching buttons, change the variables in the matrix to correspond with the location of the drones as decided by how it's moved, as well as logging to person 1 and person 2. Takeoff, land, and hover are self-explanatory. Exit is the kill switch, save 1 activates save, and save 2 activates save scan. Very last is the function that detects which key is being pressed in CMD, and that finishes up what our code for this challenge is.
Our team has worked very hard on this code. This is just the code for one of our challenges. We've been taking this challenge as an opportunity to make ourselves better programmers, learning a little something every day.
We've included the safeties against errors and written little scripts in other languages, such as executables and Bash, to make everything function together as it should. This code is unbeatable, and you're going to want to talk to the kids who wrote it.
And I love science!